Movement makes everything better. It's exciting, it's entertaining, and it's engaging, all in one. Adding motion to graphics like logos and social media icons is the perfect way to keep your audience on their toes. So check out this Envato Elements Top 10 Best Motion Graphics Templates Countdown for Inspo. All items featured are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Logo Reveal by MonsieurCat. Give your logo the star treatment it deserves in your next YouTube video or sales pitch. Bright elements burst to life as your logo swishes across the screen. There's even an audio component included to add a little extra oomph. Number 9. Instagram Stories by After Darkness 75. This is an energetic social media template that's perfect for creating animated Instagram stories. You'll find this easily customizable motion graphic is suited to product promos, event advertisement, and much, much more. Number 8. Glitch Reflection Logo Reveal by Nmotion. If you're looking for some graphics that portray glitchy gamer goodness, well, this is definitely the motion graphic template for you. Video game intros and outros are incomplete without an edgy logo, and this template is sure to showcase the dynamic personality behind your brand. Number 7. Text Messages Package, MOGRT, for Premiere Pro by Aquavitae. Use the templates in this package to create text message style motion graphics for your upcoming video projects, YouTube videos, vlogs, TV shows, and more. Show messages as they're being typed for a personable, realistic effect. Number 6. TypoSnap, After Effects in Premiere Pro by CandyMustache. With 30 unique styles, the motion graphics templates in this pack are versatile and super easy to edit to suit your needs. Smooth animation coupled with a minimalistic typography style sets these titles up for use in brand promo videos and other social media content. We hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you are, please be sure to click the bell icon to subscribe to the Envato channel and give this video a like. For now though, let's head back into our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Motion Graphics Templates Countdown. Number 5. 100 Clean Titles, After Effects version by MotionTheoryStudio. Clean, sleek, modern titles are all the rage in today's bustling world. Seeing a clear-cut message is a welcome change from the busy communications we tend to see in the media. This pack contains a huge range of animated titles with simple yet stunning design elements. Number 4. Sports Opener by efline. Created specifically for channels related to sporting activities and active lifestyles, this animated opener template uses aggressive dynamic transition and bright red accents to convey an energetic brand identity or style. Number 3. Big Bold Titles, FCPX and Apple Motion by SpaceDog. This pack of big bold titles contains 30 unique animated graphic templates with easily interchangeable colors, sizes, and fonts. Spell your message out loud and clear with these dynamic text titles. Number 2. Urban Fast Intro by Motion Lab. Inspire, motivate, and energize your audience with this fast-paced animated intro template pack. It's perfect for sporting brands, fashion influencers, video game promos, music videos, and any project with the goal of making a statement. Number 1. Social Media Promo by Motion Media Group. Creating fresh, animated social media content that brings good vibes and good times with an art style that's trending right now has never been easier. This fun-filled pack of decorative elements is the perfect tool for graphic designers and social media management teams across a range of industries. Which contributor to this Envato Elements Top 10 Best Motion Graphics Templates Countdown would you find most useful? Let us know in the comments. We'd be mighty pleased if you'd like, share, and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to bring you helpful videos just like this one. Oh, and the next video in the queue has been chosen just for you. Check it out before you go. Find all the best motion graphic templates in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements and keep your audiences engaged forevermore.